Alright guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and what this channel is all about. So my name is Peter and my friends call me Scooby. That's why the name Scooby's in the YouTube channel. Also, my wife calls me Menace. So Scooby_Menace works for me. So I'm also part of this group called Riding for You. And it's about kids with disabilities, and not only kids, grown-ups also, who happen to love motorcycles. So what I do is, whenever I can get on my motorcycle over here, go for a ride, I try to capture videos, pictures, anything, create a little storyline, and try to include them into it. To me, it gives me a satisfaction of gratitude, if you will. So I'm paired up with a kid named Austin. As you can tell by my shirt, I ride for Austin. And you're gonna see that I also have the sticker on my bike. So you're gonna see a lot of videos where you're gonna see me referencing to Austin. Again, Austin is that kid that I ride for. Also, there's gonna be videos on the Jeep. We also have a Jeep, a car, and a GMC Sierra. The car is a Ford Taurus. I don't know, whatever I do to these vehicles, I'm gonna make little videos of it, just make it fun for the channel. If you guys want to see anything, or if you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Help support the cause. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later.